Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today we are going to learn الأسماء الخمسة, the five nouns and i'rab of five nouns inshallah. The five nouns or five names in the Arabic language are known as الأسماء الخمسة. They are the special type of nouns or names that their three grammar cases are: the nominative case is denoted by waw instead of dhamma, the accusative case is denoted by alif instead of fatha, while the genitive case is denoted by ya instead of kasra. The five nouns and their three grammar cases are: first, what are the five nouns? Abun, akhun, hamun, dhu, and fu. And the three grammar cases are al-raf'u, nominative case, al-nasbu, accusative case, and al-jarru, genitive case. Abun will be abu in nominative case, and aba in accusative case, and abi in genitive case. Akhun, akhu, akha, akhi. Hamun, hamu, hama, hami. Dhu, dha, thi. Fu, fa, and fi. The three cases of five nouns, al-asma'ul khamsa. The five nouns should be in a position of mudaf, possessed, followed by attached pronouns or nouns. Example for abun in nominative case: Ja'a Abu Zaydin. Zayd's father came, or Abu Zayd came. And in accusative case: Ra'aytu Aba Zaydin. I saw Zayd's father. And genitive case: ذهبت مع أبي زيد. I went with Zayd's father. Examples for أخ: هل هذا أخوك? Is this your brother? In nominative case: رأيت أخاه أمس. I saw his brother yesterday. In accusative case: and هذا الكتاب لأخيك. This book is for your brother. In genitive case. Next one, حمٌ. حموك رجل طيب. Your father-in-law is a good man. In nominative case: إن حماك كريم. Indeed, your father-in-law is noble. And سيارة حميك جميلة. Your father-in-law's car is beautiful. In genitive case. Next one, ذو. جاء ذو علم. The possessor of knowledge came. رأيت ذا علم. I saw the possessor of knowledge. In accusative case: سلمت على ذي علم. I greeted the possessor of knowledge. And the last one, fu. فوه or فمه مفتوح. His mouth is open. I use the second option as well, فمه, because we don't use fuhu anymore in these days. We rather use فمه in modern standard Arabic. اغسل فاك or فمك. Wash your mouth. ضع هذا فيك or فمك. Put this in your mouth. Please note that the first person speaker pronoun ya should not be attached to any of these five nouns at the end. If this happens, it will not be regarded as one of the five nouns anymore. Examples: أبي في المسجد. My father is in the mosque. أبي here is not one of the five nouns, it is my father. رأيت أخي في المدرسة. I saw my brother at the school. And سافرت مع حمي. I traveled with my father-in-law. As we see, these are not one of the five nouns, these are attached first person pronouns. And that's all today. See you next session inshallah. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.